Good morning, everyone. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. So, last few days, we are discussing about our worksheet, and today we will discuss our worksheet of PA1. So, everyone, take your worksheet with pencil and rubber. Mark the correct options. First, choose the correct option. Any substance that has mass and occupies the space, it is called a matter. So, underline the word matter. Any substance which has mass and occupies the space, it is called as a matter. Second one, this is a state of matter that does not flow and cannot be poured into a container. So, if we take the liquid, it can be poured, it can flow, right? Gas, it can also flow. So, only solid, it is a state of matter that does not flow and cannot be poured into the container. So, underline the option solid. Third one, what are the substances that do not dissolve in a certain solvent? So, underline the option insoluble. Insoluble substance, it does not dissolve in the certain solvent. Fourth question, which state of matter they has no defined shape and size? Solid, they have the defined size and shape. Liquid, they have the size, so they have the shape, size. So only gas, it does not have the size and shape. So underline the option gas. Fifth one, which is the process by which the liquid changes into gas? It is called as a vaporization. Underline the word vaporization. Second one, true or false? When the water vapor is cooled, it condenses and changes into ice. The statement is false because only the water is cooled, it will form into the ice. But here they are given water vapor. So when water vapor is cooled, it condenses and changes into ice. So the statement is false. Second one, the substance that dissolves in another is called as a solute. Yes, the statement is true. The substance which dissolve in another one, it is called as a solute. So write true. Third one, sugar and salt are insoluble in water because they do not dissolve in water. So as you all know, the sugar and salt, they will be soluble in the water. But here in the statement, it is given they are insoluble. So the option is false. Write the option false. Fourth one, insoluble substance can be separated by heating method. So it is a false only. Okay, insoluble substance can be separated from the solution by heating. Heating is a soluble substance. So the option is said to be false. Insoluble substance can be separated from their heating. It is a false. Fifth one, the substance in which the solute get dissolved in the solvent, it is said to be true. So the solute will be dissolving in the solvent. So the statement is said to be true. Then fill in the blanks with the correct words. In a solution of sugar and water, dash is the solvent. So sugar and water, sugar is said to be the solute. So the water is said to be the solvent. Underline the option water. Second one, the bubbles that form when the water is boiled contain dash. When the water is boiling, it will be forming the water vapor. So underline the option water vapor. A solid dash be poured into the container. So solid is a hard substance. It cannot be poured into the container. So underline the option cannot. Fourth one, a dash takes the shape of the container. So the liquid only, it takes the shape of the container. So underline the option liquid. Everything around us is made up of dash. So everything around us, it is made up of the matter. Then give one word for the following. Any substance that has a mass and occupies the space, it is called as a matter. Write the answer matter. Second one, the substance that do not have the fixed shape but they have the definite volume. So the liquid, they do not have the shape but they have the definite volume. So write liquid. Third one, the amount of space that object occupies, it is called as a matter. You can also write as a mass also. Dono write it. Fourth one, which substance the particle are tightly packed with each other, it is called as a solid. So write the option solid. Fifth one, the process by which a liquid changes into solid on cooling, it is called as a solidification. Then name the following. The process by which the solid changes into liquid on heating, it is called as a melting process. Melting is the process by which the solid changes into liquid on heating. Second one, the process by which the liquid changes into gas from the surface of the liquid at any temperature, it is called as an evaporation. Third one, in which matter they have the definite size and shape. As you all know, the solid is the substance, it has the definite size and shape. Fourth one, when we mix two or more substance uniformly, what we will get? We will get the solution. Okay, so when two or more substance mix together uniformly, they will form a solution. Fifth one, this is formed when water dripping from the leaves or branches of the trees freezes. It is called as an icicles. Then short answers. What is the matter made up of? So matter is made up of the tiny particles that cannot be seen with our naked eye. I am repeating first question. What is the matter made up of? Matter is made up of a tiny particles which we cannot see with our naked eyes. Second one, give two examples of liquid that you will come across every day. So mainly water and milk. They are the two liquids that come daily. We are using that one. So name the states of matter. The three states of matter are solid, liquid and gases. Fourth one, give two example of gases. Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, anything you can write. Long answer. State the properties of liquid. Give two example. So first one, liquid, they will have the definite volume. Second point, a liquid has no definite shape. So they have no shape. They take place the shape of the container. Third one, so it can flow from one place to another. Examples are water, juice, honey and milk. Second one, state the property of the gas. Give two examples. So first one, the gas, they has no definite shape or volume. So it can move from one place to another place. Examples are steam, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Third one, what are soluble substance? Give the examples. Soluble substance means what? So the substance that dissolve in a solvent to form a solution. Example, if we add the salt and sugar in water, they will dissolve in water. Then fill in the blanks with the correct words. In a solution of sugar and water, dash is the solvent. So sugar and water, sugar is said to be the solute. So the water is said to be the solvent. Underline the option water. Second one, the bubbles that form when the water is boiled contain dash. When the water is boiling, it will be forming the water vapor. So underline the option water vapor. A solid dash be poured into the container. So solid is a hard substance. It cannot be poured into the container. So underline the option cannot. Fourth one, a dash takes the shape of the container. So the liquid only, it takes the shape of the container. Fourth one, put a tick if they are soluble in the water. Example, salt. Salt will dissolve in water. Second, coffee. Coffee also dissolve in water. Sugar, it also dissolve in water. Chalk, they do not dissolve in the water. So try to complete this worksheet. I will send you the file. By seeing the answer, complete your worksheet.